Hello guys, and welcome to part 7 of my 2019 stash videos. In this video we shall be taking a look at some larger cakes, and these are all from Epic Fireworks. These fireworks all have the maximum legal 30mm tube size allowed here in the UK, and as they are also all classed as 1.3G, these fireworks are very powerful pieces. So firstly we have Quake, and this is a 19-shot barrage, as are most of these fireworks. So Epic have a large assortment of these 19-shot 30mm cakes, and in my opinion this haul includes the best of the bunch. So as you can see, this is category F2. It's categorised as a battery of shot tubes, and the NEC is 342 grams. Epic Fireworks never include effects descriptions on their labels, however I can tell you that this has enormous bursts which are expected from tubes of this size. The kaleidoscope of colours include red, green, blue and purples, whilst silver crackle bursts add a nice sound effect. So napalm feels heavier in physical weight. This has 70 grams of extra powder with an NEC count of 410 grams. When you divide this powder count by the 19 tubes, each has an impressive 21.57 grams. This single effect cake gives vivid blue pearls with gigantic golden sky-filling palms. So Planet Slayer is under the Marvel Fireworks name. If anybody knows why Epic Fireworks choose to label certain fireworks differently, please let me know down in the comments. So just like Quake, this has an NEC of 342 grams. And like the other two cakes, it lasts around 30 seconds in duration. This gives crackling tails to large, perfectly spherical green and gold twinkling bursts, which fire in quick succession, overlapping in the night sky. My favourite part of this cake, however, are the golden horse tails midway through its firing, and the piece then ends with red and green peonies. So before we take a look in this shipping box, we'll take a look at this largest firework. This shell cake is again under a different Epic Fireworks name, this time Paramount Fireworks. This is the only non-19 shot barrage, and this actually has 37 shots. The NEC count on this is 666 grams, and with it being a larger piece, it's nice to see that it has both a main fuse and a reserve fuse. I bought this firework as it's massively loud and is amongst the loudest offered by Epic Fireworks. The bursts break with a mighty thud, and the colours are also very vivid. This gives glittering palms, brocade crowns and strobing. The blues are stunning and the greens are almost teal in appearance. So bear with me and we'll take a look at the second half of these fireworks. So as you can see, this box contained 4 other 19-shot cakes, and although these aren't as tall as the previous 19-shot cakes, they do have the same 30mm bore and also have the same NEC count as both Quake and Planet Slayer with 342 grams. So Mayhem has fantastic palms with red, green and purple tipped bursts, alongside crown bursts with blue tips. For its finale, this fires 3 shots simultaneously. Amiga Bomb is crammed full of effects and therefore is constantly engaging. It fires palms, crackle bursts and glitters. One thing I have noticed with these smaller 19-shot cakes is how audible the internal stars sound in their tubes. So Decibel gives strobing and glittering palms, peonies and dahlias, with crackle bursts, blues, greens, reds, pinks, silver and gold. Finally, Chaos gives enormous palms, but this time includes a strobing effect. So the reason I have a few of these cakes is because I plan to use this type of firework up the centre of my paired and angled fireworks. In my opinion, you can't get more powerful fireworks for this size. If you have fired any of these pieces in the past, then please let me know what your impressions were. So like always, thank you for watching, and I'll post up another video soon.